pero Pinoyhin niyo, Queen. Pinoyhin niyo talaga. Anyway, today's is another unboxing. It's still my Christmas gift is extended. So like I said, it's until January 25. So it's a surprise. That's gonna be a gift this January 25. In this at this moment, we will unbox in mystery box. I got it. It says, because I got a text from my phone that is coming from, it's a Swedish word. It's like Gova code. So I can't remember what I got. So probably I got it from work. So we will say what's inside. It's a Christmas gift. It's still Christmas, so we'll open. Open na natin, guys. Huwag nang patagalin. So, taran! Uy, guys. Guess what? This one. With a lot of ano lang, plastic lang pala. I'm kidding. Ito is I don't know what it is. We will open all day. We take away all the plastic. Bubble wrap. Ito na. Uy, guys, I have another speaker. And this time, yeah, I love it. And this time, it's aside from Bluetooth, USB, you can use USB, MP3, MP4, PSP, FM, and you can use it through mobile, tablet, and computer. It's a wireless charging Bluetooth speaker. So it means you can charge your phone. Kita niyo, guys? You know, you can charge your phone. So amazing, amazing. So it has portable wireless speaker and 6 hours playback time, hi-fi sound quality, hands-free, and it's wow, it's a Bluetooth version B4.2. We will open this one. We need a cutter. Uy, malaki pala siya sa loob. Uy, malaki siya, guys. I thought maliit lang. So, okay lang. So, it means you can charge your phone here. You can charge your phone. Yeah, the name of it's Fat Oz. I don't know where it made. We will see where it made from. Made in. Wala nakalagay. But anyway. Wala talaga nakalagay, guys. Kung saan galing. But for in English. So, wala nakalagay na where it came from, what country. So anyway, you can charge your phone here, and it's with Ay, may tila-tila siya. It's together with their, they have a cord. And this one is for charging. And we will open this. What's inside? Ano siya meron? Kita mo, oh. May, dyan mo siya i-charge yung phone. Function. Kailangan yata siya i-charge. Parang baka may jewelry. Ay? Guys, ito. Kita mo. Ito na siya. Accessories. So, I don't know what's inside. Ano ba siya? Kaloka. Ano meron? Ano meron ito? May ano pa? May mga... And then... Aha! I got it! We guys, oh guys, I have my kasamang ear ay social. Ayan ganun na siya. Ay malaki, hindi ka siya sa maliit lang yung kaya ko. Yung ay malaki siya guys. Ayaw ko talaga ng ganito, yung malalaki na ito. Kasi, maliit naman yung maliit lang yung yung... Ay, pero maganda siya. You will chart ito this is the... Tapos, ay, social. Naka-charge na siya. So, there's a charger. So, i-charge mo siya. So, may speaker ka na and you have an earpods. May earbuds ka na, guys. Earbuds, tawag doon. Ay, social. May accessories. It's packed as X-Air. And it's wireless. I don't know where it came from since walang nakalagay kung saan ng country. Wala siya nakalagay anong country. Pero maganda siya. Wala talaga nakalagay. And all are in English. So I will search this one. And thank you for the gift sa workplace ko. Thank you for the gift. Ganda. My AirPods na. Black siya. AirPods. Parang lighter lang. And then it's a speaker. And then you can charge your phone. Kung country lang na din telephone. Kung country lang. Ito na. So you can, so you have to charge your phone here. I-on ko muna siya.
Power on.
Oh, power on. Power on. And then? Ano nangyari?
Kanske måste ta ur den nu för det.
Oh, we will take out the... Probably it doesn't work if you have your case. So ano nangyari?
Power off. Power on.
Okay? Wala nga naman. Ano ba siya? Ganon? Ganon? Ay, kaloka. Funkar inte.
Men du kanske måste ställa in alla föreläsare istället.
Mhm.
Köra det innan.
Teka lang ha, play pause. Ano, i-bluetooth siya? Okay, charging. Insert the charging cable in the package in the DC. Connect the USB adapter to charge the speaker. Ah. So, paano siya mag-charge? Aha, ganun sila siguro. Ano ba? Kailangan i-open siguro yan. Bluetooth siguro.
Connected.
Aha. I-ganon lang pala, guys. And then we will play some music. We will play some music. Happy ka lang.
Specsavers is nog steeds open voor oog- en hoorzorg. Wel eerst een afspraak.
It's working, guys! And then you can charge it here. Charging siya. Ayan lang. It's really nice, oh. It's working! So, ganda, guys. So, it's really nice. And then, I will check if it's working also, this one. Okay lang, ha? Ano ba siya? Open ba siya? Anong tawag nito? Fat as X-Air. It's working! It's working, guys. Oh. And thank you for this. Thank you talaga sa ano. Kasi this is my first time to get earbuds na ganito. Kasi I will give it away na lang. Kasi nga, malit lang yung sa tenga ko. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to click the notification bell and subscribe my channel. Bye!